Few moments later.
What is up, guys? Back in the video. It's been a while, but I finally got the setup to be able to do videos again. But right now I'm heading to my job to go pick up my tow truck, and we did get some calls for car accidents. One's like in halfway up Lido Bay on the highway, so we do gotta go do that, and that's pretty much it. So I'll see you guys at the job. Alright guys, so we gotta go get some gas. Hold on. We gotta grab some gas. We're like a little bit away from the gas station, but we're in Sandy right now. People are starting to join the server, which is good. There's not too many people that do join the server. But we're almost to the gas station, and yeah. Yeah, we're like literally down the road from it. Oh wait, there's a gas station right here. I guess we'll grab some gas right here then. Oh wait, no, this is the place. Filling up. The yellow bar, you guys, if you look at that, it's filling my gas. Alright.
Few moments later.
Alright guys, we just got a call. I've been sitting in the rain for like 50 minutes, and we literally just got a call, so we're going there right now. Why? Damn, he did some upgrades to this. Brakes aren't that good in rain. I forgot about this truck. That's why I hate driving this truck. Alright. Never seen a tow truck go this fast. Alright, we're going right now. So they're on this highway. There should be some skid marks somewhere. But he like tried telling the whole story of what happened. But we're heading there right now. We're coming up on him now. It's probably right there. Either there or somewhere. I don't see no skid marks. Do you guys see any skid marks? I don't see any. Oh, there he is. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, it's a cat eye. Dually. Oh, dang, son. They already left, but dang. Ooh, this thing is messed up. Ooh. This truck's trying to do a wheelie already. Alright, we're gonna cross. We're gonna do a very illegal thing. Alright, we're gonna pull on the side right here and check this truck out. Alright. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh! He smacked the tree, definitely. Dang. Oh my god, look at that dent! You can't even turn! Alright, alright, I just want to see how much this guy can turn. We gotta see how much he can turn. No, I want to get in this truck. Alright, well, for whatever reason, doesn't want me to get in that truck. But, we'll see what it does at the shop. My tires are spinning. It's gonna make me crash. It's gonna make me do some crazy Tokyo drift. Oh, it's alright. Boss will understand. Hopefully. All I can. There we go. Now I got more control of it. She's still chugging with a truck on the back of it. That's crazy. Alright, we're heading there. We're getting close. I'm gonna have to... I already did like 3 or 2 calls, but today. Hopefully I don't see a nice JDM car, or else I'm buying it off of them. Oh! Truck came off the hook. Truck came off the hook. Okay, well, truck came off the hook. The frame is definitely bent, but there we go. Wait, we gotta make sure we're fully hooked. Lift her up. We're off the ground almost. Not really. Aw, the truck's overheating. Let's fix it real quick. Alright, it's alright. It's alright. I got money. I got money. $1,000. That's all I got, really. This guy's truck. Oh, hey, look. He lifted up kind of more. So I probably got a lot of control of it. We're either going to take it and sell it ourselves or give it to some dealership that will fix it up. But if nobody wants it, I'll take it. I mean, it is a cat eye. Who doesn't like cat eyes? Am I right? No. Shop's this way. Wrong side of the road. I'm an idiot. Okay, guys? Oh, hey guys, look at that. That's a Supra. Damn, we're gonna have to check that out after when I'm done off work. Boss is gonna see me almost doing a wheelie. Yeah, he put nitros on this. Maybe he wants us to do a wheelie. Maybe he does. Alright, we gotta get this in here now. Alright, well guys, I'm gonna get in the shop and then I'll tell you guys when we get another call. Alright, so my boss just gave me some terrible news. He just said that the truck is junk, so he said just drop it at the abandoned motel, which is where a lot of tow truck people abandon them. Like you see, it's even closed off now, but I'm sure I can get through. So the old cat eye, she ain't gonna run in no more. We took it in the shop, and I didn't record or anything. I honestly forgot. But he said we can't fix it. Like, we can't even salvage the engine. Like, he said the engine in the block got cracked, somehow, and he said that it's super surprising to see one of those. So, just going by what he said, and we're just gonna throw it in this pool, I guess, because who cares? Like the junk place. Alright. Oh no! Don't tell me my tow truck's stuck. Oh, because I'm still carrying this truck. Alright. There we go, guys. She's a junker. She ain't gonna run it no more. I mean, that body can see another day, but fortunately, we can't put no life into her. But, alright, we're gonna go sit here and wait for the next call, and hopefully it is not that far away, because I really don't want to drive that far. Hopefully my truck is still up here. No, my truck despawned. That's one thing I hate about service, that your truck sometimes despawns. But I'll just spawn a new one. It's not that hard. Alright. Oh, we gotta repair this truck. Alright. Let me bring my hook up real quick. Alright guys, well I'll see you when we get the next call.
Few moments later.
Sorry guys, I am so not used to making videos, I literally forgot. But I did just get another call, and it is a Toyota Supra. Not the old one, the new one. They said that he smacked the pole, and it's been like 30 minutes, so I'm hoping nobody came, another tow truck person came and snatched it, but hopefully this one's revivable, and it's actually worth towing it, because I hate to see cars just get dumped and abandoned. But I think he hit, I don't know, he might have hit one of those pillar things. Holy! He smashed the front of his car. Jeez! Oh my god, bro. That is horrible. Oh, the engine might be okay, but I don't know about the frame. Oh, that's bad. How is that headlight still there? Dude, the tire literally is sticking out of the fucking fender. Jeez. Oh. Wait, it's running? Is it running? Guys, was it not just running? It's on! I don't understand. So then that means this car is good. My boss will be happy to hear that. There we go. Alright. Hopefully, like, it's not always crashes. And I mean, it is raining. But, like, hopefully it's something new. Probably people at the drag strip, right? Yeah, I see a car down there. But hopefully, whoa, tow truck, why are you there? It's another tow company. My truck keeps overheating. When it is raining, guys, it is raining. and it overheated. Alright, hopefully I can actually get this one in the garage before he tells me that car's junk. Alright. Put her down. You really don't want to move backwards, huh? Alright. Let's get out so we can detach the car. It's running, guys. It is started up. Then watch when I get in it, cuts off. But be detached. Okay, it's not gonna want to do that. But I think I'm gonna leave the car here. I'm gonna ask my boss if I actually can have it because I've been looking for one of those, like an older version, but not that. Even though it's not JDM really anymore because there's a BMW motor in it. But oh well. Hopefully it's somebody with a flat tire this time. I want it to be... Is that my tow truck? Did they just bring my tow truck back? Alright, you guys didn't see that. Don't tell my boss that was me. We don't talk about that. I like how there's a tree in the middle of this. Nice. Alright guys, I'll see you when I get a call. Peace out, guys. Alright guys, so I just I put the car over here with the forklift, and look what my boss just got. They said that he could have it for 10K because they crashed it, and look at, it's not even that bad. But just look at the motor in it. Like, it's not that bad. And then the Beamer, yeah, I'm probably gonna put a real 2JZ in it, not a gay BMW. But just look at that, guys. That's a beautiful motor. It's got a little Terpsky. He needs to get a bigger one, but he left it open. I think he's working on both of them right now. But we did get another call, and it's like literally right down the road. He hit something. He he went over to railroads, and his tire popped. But we're going over right now. Well, it didn't pop. He kept going down the road, he said, and then it popped for some reason. But we're gonna jump this right now. We didn't get any air. Oh, I think that is him, right? Yeah. And this car actually runs. There it is. We're hooked on. Brake calipers are sticking out. I'm gonna lower it real quick. Alright. Oof. Right there. Yeah, he's got a flat. Alright, hold on guys. I gotta see something real quick. Alright. Sorry. I don't know what I was doing. Alright, let's get in this. It's not bad. So I'm actually gonna buy myself one of these soon. Oh, he's on his rim. Boss said I can do one donut. I mean burnout, not donut. Alright, I'm gonna get this guy's car fixed real quick. I'll see you guys in a second. Alright guys, you already know we gotta hear the turbo. Hear it? Alright, his car's good. Gonna go ahead and park it. Not supposed to do this. I want to test it out, okay? Don't tell my boss. Just messing. I can't do that. Alright, I gotta look under the hood. You guys already know I gotta look under the hood. Let's see. I can't find it. I gave him some free upgrades. Don't tell my boss. I'm just messing. I'm taking them off. I'm gonna do this to my car, which you guys will see in next episode. Then we go pick up one because I kind of want to get one of these cars, and I kind of got to. So, oh my, nice supercharger! But it had a turbo noise. Got a Terpski too. Oh yeah, it's got a Terpski. Right, you guys see it? Cause I can. Yeah, she's got a nice Terpski. Alright, let's leave her here. Alright guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am out. Peace out guys. Hope you guys enjoy the outro.